So it's typical Sunday, and there's this client. She wants me to view the property. I think it's a very big property. It has 7 bedrooms. I think it looks like more of a mansion. I don't know if there's a pool on it, but I'll see it later. I don't know the exact address yet, but it's in Hensonville in Hangless City. I guess the property would cost like 25 million, and the seller or the owner wants me to put it into the market. I hope uh, we can get this deal afterwards and have the authority to sell to sign up smoothly. So it's going to be 11 a.m. and well, it's like actually an hour before lunch, and I hope this deal will be sealed before then. So yeah, it's like probably a 5 minute or 10 minute drive, depending on the traffic. So hopefully, this will get well. So this is what I do every weekend, going back from one property to another and making business. As a real estate broker, this is what we do. And if you have a property right there and you want to sell it, probably because you just need some, because you need to, for whatever reason, let us know. And don't forget to like on my page, hit the subscribe button to support this channel. So you have a nice day. Um, I see you're busy, so I'm gonna let you go. You take care. My name is John, your friendly broker, a real estate broker.